Welcome guys to another tutorial. Today we'll be looking at how to crop an image to a circle or an ellipse. To crop an image, as we already know, you have to go to the toolbar and select the crop tool. The only issue with that is that there is no indicator on how to crop a circle with the crop tool. You only have the options to crop in a rectangle or a square. Then what you won't know is that Photoshop provides another tool that can be used to make a crop in Photoshop. To find the tool, by default you have a toolbar that shows the amount of tool here. By clicking on the three dots here and holding will bring out more options to select more tools. The last tool is the frame tool, which can allow you to frame images, or in another sense crop them in a way you want. You can also use the shortcut tool K to select the frame tool. By default, as you can see up here, it is in a square, but you can change that to a circle. Clicking on the circle or the ellipse, come over your image and drag in the shape. You need to hold down the shift key to make sure that the shape is a square and not a rectangle. Holding down the shift when it's okay, I will release, and we have framed it in a circle. The rest of the background, as you can see, is in a transparent background. You can go ahead and adjust your image by left clicking and dragging the image, and it will align perfectly how you want it within the crop. And once you are okay with that, you can press the enter key. Then the next thing you need to do is to use the crop tool to shape and remove the excess transparent background around our shape. I'm going to just select the crop tool, or you can press C on your keyboard to select that. I'm going to crop this to a square. Now we've cropped our image. I'm going to save it in a preferable format. Always save in a format that allows you to have transparency. This includes your PNG or SVGs. So I'm going to save this as a PNG, and I'm going to come over here and type the preferred name. So guys, thanks for watching. If this was any helpful, consider liking and subscribing. I'll be here for the next one next week. Good luck.